I'm Cassie and welcome to Drusillas Park. We can't wait to welcome you back. Before you arrive, we just want to tell you how you can safely visit the park and let you know all the safety precautions that we've put in place so that you can have a relaxing day with your family.
To start with, we are reducing the number of visitors in the park. Although we are accepting a small number of at-the-gate entries, we are asking that you book your tickets online to guarantee your entry. If you are an annual member, we are also asking that you book online by midnight the day before your visit. Once you are in the zoo, you'll notice that we have a one-way route, which will be clearly marked with signs and little paw prints on the floor to follow. We are asking visitors to stick to the route and not double back. We have lots of new signage and floor markings around the park, which will remind you to keep a safe distance from other visitors.
We'll also be reducing the amount of people in our toilets and our shops.
We've enhanced our cleaning regime with more focus on touch points and ask that when you are looking at the animals, you keep your distance from the enclosure and do not touch the glass. We have hand washing facilities in our toilets, and you will notice lots of new hand sanitizer stations around the park for you to use regularly.
Oasis Cafe is open, serving takeaway food and drink options, so you can still enjoy a lunch or snack, paying by contactless wherever possible. And that's it. We hope that the precautions that we've put in place means that you'll feel safe and have a wonderful visit. And as a family-run business, we just want to say a big thank you for all your support, and we can't wait to see you.